In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language settings on LinkedIn. If you want LinkedIn to display in a different language, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can update the setting without any confusion. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the standard homepage you see after signing in, where posts, updates, and network activity appear. Starting from the feed makes it easy to access your account controls from the top of the page. Once you're on the feed, look for the Me option near the top of LinkedIn. This section gives you access to your personal account menu. Click on to open the dropdown. If you don't immediately see all the options, just take a second to let the menu fully expand. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps your account preferences, including visibility, sign-in settings, and language options. After selecting it, you'll be taken to the settings area for your account. Inside Settings and Privacy, find and click on Language. This section is specifically for controlling the language LinkedIn uses in its interface. If you're following along and the settings page looks slightly different, that can happen because LinkedIn sometimes updates its layout, but the language option should still be available within the account preferences area. Next, click on your current language setting. This will open the list of available languages you can choose from. Select the language you want to use, and LinkedIn will update the interface accordingly. In many cases, the change takes effect right away, so you may notice menus, labels, and navigation items switch immediately. As a helpful tip, after changing the language, give the page a moment to refresh fully. If something doesn't update right away, reloading the page can help. Also, make sure you choose the correct language carefully, especially if you're selecting one you're still learning, since the account menus will then appear in that language. And that's all it takes. You start on the LinkedIn feed, open the Me menu, go to Settings and Privacy, click Language, and then choose your preferred language from the current language setting. Once you've done that, your LinkedIn experience should feel much more comfortable and easier to navigate in the language you prefer.